Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change business account to personal account in Instagram. So guys, if you want to change your business account to personal account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and download the latest version of Instagram app on your device or update it. And after this, open your Instagram and then go to your profile, go to three lines button and then scroll it below all the way and go to account type and tools. And from here you have to simply go to switch to professional account. So guys, from here you can change your account from professional to personal or from personal to professional. So guys, you can see this from here. You can easily change your account type on Instagram. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.